Hi, this is Mr. Moffat with another coding example that you can try at home. What I'm going to do today is called Lightbot, and it's aimed at Key Stage 1 or lower Key Stage 2. Now, you can do this online or you can do it through the free app on the iPad or the tablet. So here's Lightbot. I'm just going to click on Online Flash Player and it should bring this up. Now, if you get this little jigsaw piece, if you click on the little jigsaw piece and then allow, it should allow the program to work. Right, once you've done that, I'm just going to click at the bottom corner here now. Mine hasn't got sound on. I've just knocked the sound off for this example, but you can put the sound on. You've got two characters now. You've got a blue character and a pink character. Now the boys and girls in class think this is a boy and a girl character, so you can just choose the one that you want. Okay, so I'm just going to go with that one. I'm just going to click on the first one here, which is the menu to take us into the program. You've then got three basic programs that you can have a work through. I'm going to do the basics one to start with. I'm going to do another video on the procedures one that you can have a look at. So we go to the basics ones, we click on basics. You've then got the different levels, and you can see the further levels have got locks on them. You need to unlock those levels and get them right before you can move on. But I'm just going to start on number one. On this one here, you've got three commands. So I'm just going to click on the play button. Now, the good thing about this is it does actually work through the first level with you, but I'm just going to click past those instructions and show you how to do it. So you can see that we've got 1, 2, 3 command blocks, and it's showing me now what command I need first. So your character needs to move forward. You then need to move forward again. Now, once you get to these blue squares, you've got to light them up using the light bulb. So I'm just going to drag the light bulb on. Now, to test your code, you click on the run button at the top. So let's click on the run button at the top, and you can see that we've successfully completed the first level. So to go on to level 2, we click on this arrow here. Now, on level 2, we've got some more instructions. I'll just flick through these. I'm just going to explain the instructions in a little bit more detail. On these ones, you've now got a left and a right turn arrow. So here's our character here now. We're then going to move them across the maze until we get to the blue square. So I'm just going to move him forward again. Now we need a turn to make him turn. I'm just going to drop this turn in for now and just check it. Now with code you can actually do it all in one bit or just break it down into small sections. I'm just going to break it down into small sections. So remember, to make the code work, we're just going to click on the arrow at the top. There you go. Now you can see that he's actually facing the wrong way. Doesn't matter, because in code you can make mistakes. We call these a bug. So let's just get rid of this one and let's just change it so that he turns the other way. If I just test that again and play, he should now be facing the right way. So to carry on, he needs to move forward 1 square, 2 more squares, and then we're going to add in another turn. So let's just test where we're up to now. So the reset button and the play button, and there he is now. Right, he's got 2 more squares to move forward. So we've got 1 square, 2 squares, and on the final blue square here, remember, we've got to light that up. So we're going to use the light bulb instruction to light up that blue square. So let's rewind and let's play and let's see where we're up to. And you can see that he's successfully now completed that level. Now on level 3, you've got a new command. Now you might not be able to tell from the video, but we've got different levels now. So we've got steps that he needs to move through. We've introduced now this spring one here, which allows the character to jump. So this bit here has got a step, so we're going to put in the spring character. Once on the spring character, then let's just click on play. You can see he's jumped onto the next level. Right, the next instruction, he's going to have to turn, and then we've got another spring. So let's see where we're up to now. Just break it down. There you go. So he needs to turn again on here with a spring. So let's see where he's up to again. There we go. He's on the final blue square. So on the final blue square, we just need to light that up, remember, using the light bulb. Let's click and try again. There you go. And that level is now complete. We're going to go on to level 4. Now, these levels then do get progressively harder as we're going through. Just a quick word of warning. Some of them have got more than 1 blue square, which means you're going to need more than 1 light bulb instruction. And also as well, you need to include the correct number of instructions on some of them, or else you will run out of code blocks. So if you end up going the different way and you get it wrong, you may have to take some code out and go through and check and maybe take your character another way. Hope that makes sense. Have a go and see how you get on. Good luck.